Can't be that many goddamn songs in this fucking thing. No, mommy, don't put it in his eyes. It's really bright.
I'm just putting this side of it. He's following the light with his head.
Mommy, did you see
I
that?
gotta put this on YouTube.
Right.
Hey Doodles, over here. Woo, just crossed you. Look up, Doodles.
You're so sweet. You're just funny, funny, funny. Oh, you sound silly. Sound silly, but you see what he does with his head? Does all this freaky shit with his head. Yeah, mommy, enough of the thing, would you?
Okay.
It's for emergencies. For mommy to feel secure. Yeah.
You, Daddy.
Look, man, you see what it is? He just gets all silly. He gets all silly.
Can you flip him over? He got flipped over. I was gonna ask if you could flip him over.
Gets so silly. He's coming at it. He's coming for you. He says, I think I can get that.
Uh-oh.
You don't have very far to go. He's gonna go for it in just a second. Ah, he wants the cord. Ah, damn it. Sorry, honey.
Oh, it's okay.
You, Doodle, stop licking the camera everywhere and biting it. With your little purple tongue. Hey, Doodle. Want some? Are you gonna take off with the big one? Jump! He's hopping around, Daddy. Woo. say goodbye, Tutu. Look at goodbye.